Three sources close to trade talks tell me that next round of U.S.-China talks will take place in Washington October 10th and 11th. Of course, next week you have a politically sensitive holiday on October 1st for the Chinese. And then on October 15th, you have that delayed escalation of tariffs. So this round of talks will fall just between those two dates on the calendar. The Treasury Secretary has already confirmed that Vice Premier Leo He will be leading that delegation to Washington. It's unclear whether Leo He will be carrying the title of special envoy, which allows him to negotiate directly on behalf of China's leader, Xi Jinping. And that will be a busy week for President Trump as well. His re-election campaign just announcing he'll hold a rally in Minnesota the evening of the 10th. But perhaps on the 11th, we could see another Oval Office meeting. TBD, though, Melissa, but October 10th and 11th, for those playing at home, the dates to circle on your calendar.
Kayla, remind us just quickly, Liu He had the title of special envoy, correct? And then that was pulled?
He did for multiple rounds this spring. He had the title of special envoy. That was one of the reasons why he was meeting with President Trump in the Oval Office, because they were on, as the Chinese saw it, equal footing, because Leo He was seen as being there on behalf of President Xi. He then was stripped of that title for a later round in May when the Chinese backtracked from some of its earlier promises because of consternation among hardliners within the Chinese Communist Party. So there has been a divide over whether he should have that title restored. We don't know whether he'll carry it this time.
All right, Kayla, thank you. Kayla Tausche in Washington with the very latest. We expected the trade talks to happen, but of course, in this world, anything could have happened. So maybe it's good that we got confirmation at this point.
It's good we got confirmation. I don't think anybody is surprised by a headline that gives you, kind of a 3-week window to begin to prepare for a conversation that may or may not happen after an important communist holiday that no one's going to get in the way of. So, I mean, look at the trade data last night at Hong Kong and Singapore. Their industrial production in Singapore was down 7.5%. It was supposed to be flat. If you look at the export data at Hong Kong, down 7 straight months and not getting better, it's a concern.